Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to edit dark underarms in Picsart. Editing a dark underarms in Picsart can help smooth and brighten the skin, creating a more even appearance. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open your Picsart application. From the main home page, tap on the plus button at the top left and then select an image with the dark underarm that you want to edit from your gallery or other stock image sources. Once you open up the image, go ahead and tap on Tools at the bottom of the screen. Now select Clone from the toolbar. After selecting Clone, use the pinch gesture to zoom in on the underarm area that you want to edit. This will give you a closer view and more control during the editing process. Select the area on your image that you want to copy from. Make sure to choose the smooth area, and once you do that, simply tap on the area and the brush will show up in the pink color. Now, you can increase or decrease the size of the brush by tapping on brush at the bottom. Select the size, and then you can also increase or decrease the opacity, hardness for your image. After making the selection, you can now go back and then carefully brush over the dark underarm area. Just like that, and you will be able to see that you have successfully removed your dark underarm. After you are done with it, save the changes by clicking on Apply at the top right corner. After cloning, click on Retouch at the bottom toolbar and click on Smooth. Now, click on Manual at the bottom, select your brush's size, and now once you are done with selecting your brush's size, you can zoom in on the area for your underarm and then brush around the area to create smoothness. This will blend the area and make the transition more natural. Finally, you can click on Apply at the top right and save the changes. After you are happy with your result, click on the next button at the top right corner and then save the image to your device by tapping on Save at the bottom left, or if you want to share it on social media platforms, click on the Post button at the bottom right and select one of the social media platforms or your friends that you want to share the project with. By following these steps, you have successfully edited your dark underarm. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.